Hi everyone, welcome back to another installation with Solar Xpress. Today we're in Birmingham, installing 103 solar panels for the Birmingham Pragati Mandal. Have a look behind us where we're installing some panels today on south facing roof. Here at Solar Xpress we take pride in making a huge impact to the local area. Not only will this get rid of the energy bill, but it'll help the community and go green. The system's been partnered with a SolaX 50 kilowatt hybrid inverter, which means high performance and reliability for the customer's future. If you're a business thinking about solar, drop us a message or visit our website and let's see what we can do for you.